let's talk about pet peeves. Mine, and actually for many others, is being invited to negotiate a contract somewhere where everybody's frustrated, cannot solve the problem, somewhere 2/3 through the negotiation, and everyone looks at you and you are coming in late in the game and expected to save the day. It's frustrating. That is not what lawyers do. We definitely do not rubber stamp the negotiations, and it's really hard to help the client when you're coming in late in the game. It's a little bit like being a pilot who is invited to fly a plane somewhere during turbulence right before landing. How do you solve it? Well, the way you solve it is through a contract lifecycle management platform that allows you to incorporate your governance and your workflows and really make it a fabric of the company so that you're invited to negotiate on time. This way, you're not frustrated, you're adding value, and most importantly, you're having a really positive impact on your business.